I am Dr. Chandrika HS. What is the difference between glucose challenge test and glucose tolerance test? As an obstetrician, these are the tests we do to find out and diagnose if the patient has developed gestational diabetes. See, glucose tolerance test and glucose challenge test. In glucose tolerance test, when we give a load of glucose, that is done for general public also when they want to diagnose and start them on medicines for diabetes. So in this glucose tolerance test, they give a particular amount of glucose and they take the blood samples from once is fasting and after that is half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, like that they take this thing and they produce a chart, that produce a graph, and from that graph the physician is going to see and find out the tendency of her glucose, how it is raising, and then he will start her treatment for her diabetes. As an obstetrician, we do this glucose challenge test, OGCT, oral glucose challenge test. In this glucose challenge test, we do it in such a way that we will not allow them to come on fasting. Few hours before we do this test, we tell them to eat something and come. Then afterwards, in the lab, they give a particular amount of glucose, that is 75 milligrams of glucose, that is stirred in water and given. Sometimes some patients will not tolerate this high dose of glucose level at a setting. So just you tell them by sip, and after they finish that glucose drinking, then they will do the test after 1 hour and 2 hours. So after that amount of time, if there is one amount of glucose level in their blood, then they are diagnosed as gestational diabetes. And that gestational diabetes, and the patients think that because they took glucose, they got this thing. If it is a normal lady, how much ever load of glucose you give, it will be able to tackle, and sugar level will never go high. That you have to explain to the patient. And when we diagnose that if she has gestational diabetes, we first level is we manage by exercise and dieting, and that level we can pass off till the end of pregnancy, and they may sometimes be given some easily consumable and what is allowed tablets in pregnancy. But one thing we have to know is in pregnancy, oral diabetic agents will not help because we have to do a perfect control of the glucose, because if the perfect control is not going to happen, it will have effect on the development of the baby, and the baby may become too much big and it is not good for the health of the baby. So to have perfect control of sugar during pregnancy, what is called as gestational diabetes, if it is not possible with simple medicines, we have to give them insulin only. And insulin, we control that insulin by day-to-day basis with the glucose values done by glucometer reading. So each day we will be changing the insulin dosage depending on the need, get over the pregnancy, so that it will not have any effect on the intrauterine fetus.